The Racetool safety timer has a few limitations. The first limitation is the wellbore pressure, which is limited to 10,000 psi. The second limitation is the wellbore temperature, which is limited to 125 degrees Celsius. And the third limitation is the time delay settings that are available. The first is 60, the second is 90, and the third is 120 minutes. If you find value in videos like this, we encourage you to like and follow us at our online channels. We'd love for you to be a part of the Racetool community.